What's up, guys? It's Max.
I'm Kaylee.
I'm Luke.
I'm Maddie.
I'm Julian.
I'm Lauren.
I'm Angel.
And I'm Lexi, and we're Nutritious Delicious, bringing nutrition to your household.
Hey guys, it's Maddie. So today we are going to be making teddy bear toast, and you can have this for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a dessert. So you will need some bread, any of your choice, a banana, hazelnut spread, I like Nutella, chocolate chips, blueberries, and a toaster. So the first step is going to be to toast the bread. So I'm going to put 2 slices into the toaster and toast. So as I'm waiting for the bread to toast, I'm going to cut the banana into slices like this, and you may need a parent's help for this. But fun fact, did you guys know that bananas are actually classified as a berry? Because I didn't. So now that the toast is toasted, we are going to put our Nutella, or you can use peanut butter, whatever you would like. We're just gonna spread it on like so, and it doesn't have to be perfect. I think that's good for me. And then the fun part, to make it look like a little teddy bear, we are going to use 2 banana slices as the ears, and this is going to be the mouth, this extra banana slice. And then we are going to use chocolate chips as the eyes, and then a blueberry right here for his little nose. And there you have it, teddy bear toast.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for some more awesome, healthy recipes.